Hello everybody. We have legal paperwork. King Electrical Manufacturing. They sent this express mail. Let's see what's inside of it. Hope it's not another one of the little cease and desist letters. But I have court Friday. Still sealed the way it was. Not opened. I just tore that. So the first appearance for scheduling and briefing hearing is Friday in 2 days. So today is the 20th. So let's open this up and see what the hell's inside. What do they want now? Do they want to settle? I hope they do. A settlement would be nice. But let's see. Motion for continuance. Oh. May 15th, 2026. Formal legal representation in Superior Court cases. Well, I'm going to decline their continuance. So I already have my script. Check this shit out. Oh, I already got my script. I'll print it. Let me go print it. Because I suspected this. Let me hit print. Hold on. One second. I'm hitting the printer. I was just finishing this up. It's printing. It's only 3 pages, but it takes a little bit for the printer to heat up. Okay. Check this out. I was expecting this. Ryan versus King Electrical Manufacturing. Okay. When the judge calls the case, I would say, "Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Ryan, plaintiff and appellant appearing proceed before the proceeding. I need to raise a threshold regarding the defendant standing to participate in this proceeding. Then my objection is move to strike King Electrical Manufacturing Company and request that the defendant a default judgment in my favor under CR 55. King Electrical is a Washington corporation, an artificial entity under controlling Washington. It says no licensed attorney has filed notice of appearance. I was already, the small claims exception doesn't count. If the judge asked, should I give them a chance to get an attorney? Nope. And I need time on this. I need to figure out what to do on this motion here, but I don't think this was serviced properly because it's supposed to be done certified mail. It wasn't done certified mail, so I can issue a service thing. This is a procedural defect. If they can't really speak on their behalf, so this motion on their behalf needs to be done by an attorney from what I'm understanding, not them. So, order a motion for continuance. So this is a Washington law help here. Dean Wilson. So I wish they would just settle. It's going to be a lot cheaper for them to settle. But I was expecting this. So, yes, awesome. So I think it's going to be a good day Friday, but we'll see what the judge says. So catch y'all later.